Dad, this is Adaline.
Jenny, actually. Dad, you okay?
I'm sorry, it's just... You look exactly like this old friend of mine, Adaline Bowman.
You still haven't told me your name.
Adaline Bowman. But my friends call me Della.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
You got a bug in your hair.
They say they're good luck. Did you get it?
Got it.
One.
I know who you are, Adaline.
What?
The scar. The same scar. I stitched it myself. Please. The truth.